Hey YouTube, it's Faye in my new work shirt, here to wish you happy holidays, Merry Solstice, whatever it is you celebrate. I hope you had a great freaking day today. And for today's video, I'm going to be answering Woman and Machine Challenge question 7. And for those of you who don't know what the Woman and Machine Challenge questions are, but you'd like to know more, I have a playlist. I'll link that in the description below. So the question for today, number 7, is, what are you most proud of? What accomplishments are you most proud of in 2018? And what are your goals for 2019? So, as most of you probably know, 2018 was a crazy huge year for me. And I had so many goals that I never thought I would ever accomplish. And yet here I am. But I think that the two that I guess I'm most proud of are, of course, quitting my job and starting my business. I can't believe that I started my business in February, and now here I am at the end of the year, and it has been such a major success for me. And without any advertising, I have more customers than I know what to do with. I'm actually currently not accepting new customers and new appointments right now because I'm booked out through the end of January, which is insane. So I could not be more proud of that. And that has been this whole crazy journey that has taught me so many lessons, and I've had so many amazing mentors in that. This has just been such a blessing, and I am so freaking proud of that. The other thing that I never thought that I would have accomplished is my YouTube channel is in review for monetization right now, which is awesome. Thank you all so much for supporting me and watching my videos. And I tried starting my channel way back in 2013, and I had no idea what I was doing, and I put out a couple little piddly videos, and then I didn't really do anything for a while. But it wasn't until January, this past January of 2018, that I was like, you know what? I'm really gonna try. I'm really gonna start and create this YouTube channel and see what I can do with my little DIY videos. And I started with Woman and Machine Challenge question 1, and that was my first step towards actually putting out content and being serious. So now, just last week, I was messing around with my settings, and I was like, oh my gosh, my channel is in review for monetization. That's so cool. That's so cool. I'm so proud of that. I never thought that would happen either. So I guess those are my two major accomplishments. Now, wrapped into, of course, starting my business, there are so many in there in terms of, you know, building my confidence and figuring out how to charge money for my services and making a website that is okay, and overcoming all the challenges of creating my class schedules and finding a location to teach, and building up a whole new set of tools for mobile diagnostics. And so much happened this year, and I am so stoked on all of it. For 2019, I have a few goals. One of which is kind of simple, but it's going to be a huge hurdle for me, and that is I want to become ASE Master Certified. I have 4 ASE certifications right now, and they're all in things that I feel really confident with, and I really know. Like engine repair, obviously. Obviously, engine repair. And brakes, and suspension and steering, and what's the other one? I don't know. Where's my certification paper? The other one I took a long time ago, like 4 years ago, so it's going to expire soon, so I gotta study it again. What the heck is it? Anyway, so I want to be ASE Master Certified. That's a goal that I have for the end of 2019. I also got a huge opportunity this past year that's going to be starting next year, and I just really want to focus in on that. No, I can't tell you what it is yet, but you'll know soon. The beginning of next year, in the first few months of next year, you will know, and I will tell you. And I want to take that really seriously and give that my best effort. And I really want to make sure that I represent women in automotive really well and continue to just be my best self. Best self. Best self. And continue to be authentic and continue to always just put my best foot forward and never pretend to be something that I'm not. And you know, it's going to be a huge challenge for me. So I think my biggest goal is balancing this new opportunity with my business and my customers, still providing really good customer service, getting that ASE master certification, and also making sure that I still have enough time for my family and my friends. So those are my goals for 2019, my automotive goals for 2019. And I think I'll be able to accomplish them. I'm gonna do my best. So now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest accomplishments, the things you're most proud of that happened this past year, and what are you hoping to accomplish next year? Feel free to make a video of your own and post it, and then tag me using the hashtag #WomanInMachine so I can find you and I can put it in my playlist if you guys want to join in. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!